Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a cooling blanket, and it's from the brand called Bedsure. So the one that we got right here is the twin size blanket. If you guys want like the regular one, they do have a regular roll blanket as well. And also for this product, they actually have it in many different colors as well. They have it in like gray, khaki, and also blue. The one that we got right here is a sky blue color that looks very nice. And not only does this blanket give you guys a cooling effect, but the product is also reversible, so you can actually reverse it to the other side to give you guys more of a warm feeling. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we first take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So here is basically the paper to show you guys information about the product right here. And then right here we have the actual blanket. Right off the bat, when you guys feel the material on here, it actually feels really nice. Definitely get like that cooling effect on here that they mentioned, because they use like a cooling fabric on here. And some of the benefits of having the cooling effect on here is the fact that it's anti-static. It definitely feels really silky when you guys feel it on here. And also when you guys use this side right here for the cooling effect, it definitely is skin friendly as well. And obviously for this side right here, it is breathable, so you don't have to worry about sweat or whatever getting onto the blanket. But I'm actually opening it up and show you guys what both sides looks like first. Alright, let's open it up. So when you guys open it up, you can definitely see how it's actually really big. It's because we got the twin size one. Like I mentioned, if you guys want a smaller option, they do have this roll option as well. But basically when you guys feel this side right here, this is the 100% cotton side. But if you guys want the cooling effect, you guys want to flip it to the other side right here. And this is basically actually looks like this side right here. It definitely feels like the cooling effect on this side immediately. And also the way how you guys maintain and wash the product right here, they mentioned how you guys can actually hand wash it, or can actually throw in the machine to wash it as well. If you guys do throw in the machine to wash it, they do recommend using a mesh laundry bag, so you don't have to worry about damaging the fabric on here. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually throw this into the machine to wash it and dry it first, and then we'll test it out to show you guys how it actually works and describe how it feels as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got it into a mesh laundry bag right here. Let's put it into the machine to wash it. Alright, so I just finished washing the actual blanket right here. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first before I should test it out. Alright, so you see when we actually open it up, it definitely have a good amount of coverage on here. Like I mentioned, this is the twin size. They do have a roll size if you guys want a smaller option. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys open it up. Definitely have a good amount of coverage on here like I mentioned. And right here, if you can see, we do have a pillowcase that is basically the cooling effect as well, where it's reversible. So it basically works the same way as this one right here. But these are sold separately. So if you guys want these, I do recommend these as well. But basically right now on top part right here, we do have the cooling effect. If you guys want to use the cooling effect, you guys want to flip it to the other side. But the other side, we currently have like the warm feeling, which is the cotton material. So I'm going to hop on and test it out to see how it feels first. So once I hop on and actually test it out, I can definitely feel the warm feeling on here. It actually feels really nice. I definitely love how thin the actual material is to that blanket as well. So that way you guys don't have to worry about feeling too hot or too cold, which is perfect during like the hotter days. So that way you guys don't have to put on so much layers as well. But you see, once we actually get on, it actually feels really nice. You definitely get that all-around coverage on here from top to bottom. And if you guys want to move it a little bit higher, you definitely can as well. But definitely for the warm side, which is cotton side, it actually feels pretty nice. But I'm going to flip it to the other side and test that side as well. So when we flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So now the cotton layer is on top and the cooling layer is in the bottom. So let's try again. Alright, so once we put on this layer, it actually feels even better. It definitely has like that cooling effect on here. I can totally see how this is actually really helpful during like the hotter days, like summertime or whatever. And especially if the room is super hot, you definitely want to use the cooling side because it definitely gives you guys that cooling effect on here, which is pretty awesome. And if you guys get this along with the pillowcase right here, where it has that cooling option as well, that's reversible for the warm feeling as well, they definitely will get the best experience once you guys get everything on here. But definitely feels pretty nice regardless of which side you guys can actually use it on. Whether you guys want the warm feeling on top right here, or if you guys want to use the cooling effect, you can definitely flip it however you guys want to. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys actually put it on. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. Definitely see it actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to maintain product and super easy to clean as well. Once you guys roll this in the machine to wash it, you could basically set it up just like how you guys saw in the video. But definitely one thing to remember is that you should definitely use a mesh laundry bag to actually wash it, so you don't have to worry about damaging the fabric or anything when you guys first use it. But see from the test, once we actually set it up, it definitely looks really nice. I definitely love the fact of how it's actually reversible. So that way sometime when you guys are feeling hot, you guys can use the cooling side. But once it actually gets cold, you can definitely flip it to the other side to get that warm feeling on here. But definitely you guys can see it has a good coverage once you guys set it up for your bed. So if you guys want to use this in a sofa, or if you guys want to use this on your bed, that is up to you guys, but it definitely works either way. But if you guys get this roll option, you probably won't get that full on coverage because it's a bit smaller than the twin size. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually work or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you're trying to look for some high quality cooling blanket that's versatile, that has everything on here in terms of one side is cooling and the other side more of a warm feeling. If you guys want everything that I mentioned for this product and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.